Hey guys, so welcome back. So today we are going to cover that Microsoft launch a OneDrive personal wallet. So what is a personal wallet? OneDrive personal wallet. So as we know, OneDrive runs a trusted Microsoft cloud which has many security measures in place to keep your files safe. But we understand that some people want more protection. For their most important and sensitive file, Microsoft introducing a personal wallet. So personal wallet is a protected area in OneDrive that you can access with a strong authentication method or called a second step of identity verification such as your fingerprints pin or face or a code sent to your by email or SMS. Your logged file in OneDrive or personal wallet have a extra layer of security, keep them more secure in event of someone gain access of your device. Plus this added security doesn't mean added inconvenience. It's a very user friendly. All your document, photos, videos in personal wallet are easy to access on OneDrive web as well as on mobile app. So how we can configure or access personal wallet in OneDrive web? So first of all, you need to log on to OneDrive web. Then you will see that personal wallet like icon will be reflect on your OneDrive area. Then you when you click on that, it will ask you for the configure the secured by two-way step verification, and it's auto lock after 20 minutes, inactive session available on all your OneDrive and devices. So click next. Then it's ask for your identity, so you make sure it's your identity. Then click on verify, and after that you need to choose a method where you want to access a code. Either you select your email ID or your mobile number. So after that, enter the security code which you receive from Microsoft for verification purpose, and select the method, either email or phone number. Enter the digit and send a code. Then enter the code and click on verify. Once you verify, it's ask you for install a Microsoft Authenticator. So you don't need to enter password again and again. You just need to approve or deny. Or if you want, you can click get it now, or you can skip this method. So if I'll click on get it now, it's asked me to install a Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile. So when you click on next, it's ask for your location, your country. So first select your country, then enter your mobile number and click on send link. And after that you need to install a Microsoft Authenticator app for iOS or Android. Then open it, add your Microsoft account, sign in with Microsoft account. Then it's ask for verification when you are trying to add your account in Microsoft Authenticator. So it's asking for WEABZ. So it's asking to approve sign in request on this number. So click approve or deny as per but you need to click on approve. Actually we are going to configure a Microsoft authentication. So how we can that part is a how we can configure a personal wallet. So after that, when you try to access your personal wallet on OneDrive web, so when you sign in, it send a a notification on your Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile. So you need to click on use a pin. Either you can use your touch sensor. So click next. When you click in when you give authentication, it will showing the area in the personal wallet. So here is the same feature which we have in OneDrive, like we can create a new folder, upload, move, rename, all the things. So here we have a welcome message for personal wallet. Personal wallet is a place within OneDrive with an extra layer of security. It will automatically lock after 20 minutes suggested files. So may move your files here if you have like a sensitive data in your OneDrive and you want to protect it. You can move those file in personal wallet. So how we can access like a personal wallet on mobile? First you need to open your OneDrive in mobile app, click on personal wallet. As we can see, it's showing that it's a logged. So when we tap it, it's asking for unload the personal wallet. So we need to confirm fingerprint to continue. So either you can use a pin if you have configured a pin. So when you open the like a personal wallet, it's like a give you a suggestion that you need to upload all your personal files, like a password, driving license, tax record. So you can upload those file or you can directly use a scan option from OneDrive. OneDrive just launch a like a scanner option in OneDrive also. So one more thing, if you have a like a premium like a OneDrive, then you can upload more than three files. If you are using a like a normal OneDrive, then you can only upload maximum number of files, three. So that's it. So when, as I told you, that personal vault is automatically logged after 20-minute inactive session. So when you not OneDrive is not in use, so personal wallet is not in use, then your wallet will be logged automatically. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.